Right. Yeah. I made an adjustable motor adjustment belt tensioner for the rotary system. I put one of the brackets on, and then I realised, oops, I forgot to print the space that goes between these arms. So I've got to print them freaking things now. So anyway, but everything else is ready really to put together. I'm starting to assemble things now. So I've moved it onto my front table where I can get at everything. So I thought, well, I can put a few things on, but yeah, I can't really do it all until I've got these spacing brackets, because I have to put these linking rods on each side of the spacers. Then I'm going to put the brackets on. Then I'm going to bolt the ends and tighten it all up and everything. So obviously it's the most important part really, is the spacers that go in between. And if you look at my model on the SketchUp, I'm talking about this bar that goes in between the rods. I've got to print at least 2 of those for now. I only need 2 for now, but actually I really need 3, because there's one on the bottom at the back as well. But I don't have to put the bottom brackets on just yet, but I'm going to print 2 of them off first and get half of it built, assembled, and yeah. So the way this works, I'm actually looking at the back of it, but these bracing clamps here clip on to these arms that come down and hold them together so that they don't splay outwards. It basically clamps them together, and that braces the assembly so that the assembly stays hooked up properly. Obviously, if I want to increase a bit more tension on there, I can put some elastic bands around there, but for now, there should be enough tension on them when they're dried out. I'll just give you a quick look at so my bracing brackets are here, 3D printed, and shine them up with a bit of acetone. I really need to let them dry out overnight, because they're a little bit springy, as you can see. They're a little bit, that's what they're meant to be though, they're meant to be springy. But yeah, I thought, well, I'll probably let them dry out overnight, just to make sure. And that's for the smaller one. This goes at the bottom, this one. It's a little bit springy, they're alright though. It came out good, and they hold everything together basically. So I've got most of my other parts. That's my first motor mount I made, and I decided, oh, hang on a minute, I thought I could make this into an adjustable. So that's why I made the new motor mount, which basically has these slotted arrangement, so that I can move it up and down. And sorry about the lighting at the moment. My 150 watt bulb has stopped working on me. So this is my 150 watt bulb, LED. It's under 2-year warranty. I've just gone over a year and it died on me. So yeah, I'm going to contact the supplier and get a replacement. So at the moment I'm stuck with a 100 watt. There's no point in really shining the light. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, so we're starting to put some bits on. And I've also got to print the meter, the RPM meter. I made a proper design for it, a proper housing to hold it all. It's going to hold it, mount it on the top there. I haven't printed any of that stuff out yet. I thought, well, let's just take it one step at a time. Let's just get this part built, because the meter stuff can come later. I just wanted to make sure all this is right first, because obviously I don't want to be running out of plastic on the most important parts. The meters can wait really. So these were quite long enough, so I decided to make them a bit longer, because the way I'm going to do it, these little pins will go all the way through the through these holes, and they'll go through onto some other spaces which are going to be between those. This is for the motor, this is for the actuation of my coils. So I'll put ferrites on there, which is my half moon shaped thing, and so yeah. Anyway, so possibly maybe 2 days, a day or two anyway, and should have this thing put together hopefully. Probably 3 days on the outside. Thanks for watching.